Hey guys, it's Rory with searchinchao.com, and today I'm in Madrid for the launch of the Xiaomi Mi A2 and Mi A2 Lite. Here's everything you need to know about them. So two phones will launch today. The first one is the Xiaomi Mi A2, and it is powered by a Snapdragon 660 processor with up to 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. There's also a 5.99-inch display with really slim bezels, so that means this whole phone is a pretty significant upgrade over the Xiaomi Mi A1. But the thing you'll notice the most is when you pick the phone up, it is incredibly slim and incredibly light, like almost comically light. It has a new aluminum unibody, which looks pretty good, I have to say, and there is now a new dual camera system at the back. So this current model has a 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixel camera combo, where the 12 megapixel sensor has 1.25 micron pixels, but both of them have f1.75 aperture lenses. The secondary 20 megapixel camera has a pixel binning technology, which can combine 4 pixels into one for better low light performance. This new phone charges via USB Type-C, however, it does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Good news is there is still an IR blaster at the top. The second phone is the Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite, and it is designed to be the more entry-level device of the two. So this phone is powered by a Snapdragon 625 processor with up to 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage, which are pretty similar specs compared to the Xiaomi Mi A1. But this time it has a 5.84-inch Full HD display with a notch in it. Whether you like it or not, at least you're getting slimmer bezels. This phone feels a lot heavier because it has a much bigger 4000 mAh battery inside. But the phone doesn't feel quite as premium because it doesn't have the nice aluminum unibody as the Mi A2. Instead, it has a metal back with plastic caps at the top, which doesn't feel as good. It also doesn't charge via USB Type-C and resorts to micro USB instead. Both phones run on stock Android, and the Mi A2 has prices starting at 249 euros, while the Mi A2 Lite has prices starting at 179 euros. So just a quick update, we just came out of an interview with Mr. Donovan Song, and although he couldn't give us an official date on when the Mi A2 and Mi A2 Lite will come to Malaysia, he did say that it will come very soon, and we also received an invite for a media briefing that will take place at the end of this month, so I have good reason to believe that it will be arriving pretty soon. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!